Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change payment account on Free Fire. So in Free Fire, if you want to purchase anything, then you have to just simply use the payment method. But what payment method you can use and how you can change it, so it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You have to simply open up your Free Fire application, and the Free Fire application you guys have to just simply purchase anything. So whenever you come to the purchase section, it will directly open up the Google Play payment section. So in order to change the payment method, you have to just simply open up your Play Store, and in the Play Store, for example, your currently Gmail account will be connected. So you have to just simply go to the top right corner of your profile icon, and after tapping on to that, here you guys have to just simply click on payments and subscription, which is third option. So after clicking on that, go to payment methods, and I don't have any payment setting right here, but you will be able to see your payment method. But you want to change the payment method on your Free Fire, so you have to just simply go back. So after going to back, you guys have to again tap on the top right corner of your profile. So after tapping on your profile, here you guys will be able to see the arrow icon, which is right next to your email and name. So after clicking on this arrow icon, it will provide you a drop down menu and set of all accounts. So if you have not any account added, you have to just simply click on add another account. So you have to just simply add a new account. So assume that I have already added two accounts. So I am selecting the first one. So after selecting the account, now you guys have to just simply go back to your tap on the top right corner of your profile icon, and here you have to just simply click on payments and subscription. And in the payment methods, you guys have to just simply go back, and here you guys will be able to see your add credit or debit card information. So you have to simply put your new debit card or a payment method here. So after importing your new payment method here, so you guys have to just simply open up the Free Fire again, and in this way you guys will be able to see the change payment method on Free Fire, and it would be updated payment method rather than previous one, because the previously account connected with your Google account, and Google will directly redirect you to Free Fire payment section. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.